Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Delta Rules. In today's video, we got more unusual options activity for you. Now, once again, guys, the information presented by Delta Rules and myself are for educational purposes only. Trading stocks and options involve risks that are not suitable for all investors. Please make sure to always do your own due diligence. Now, guys, if you don't know anything about options and you ended up on this video, I do have 3 courses down below that will teach you about options from top to bottom, and I also have a video showing you how to set up a thinkorswim scan for unusual options activity. So the first stock that we're going to be looking into today, it's going to actually be MO, and that is Altria. If you know about Altria is pretty much the tobacco company, so that is pretty much what they do. Now, I was looking over the Altria chain today, and I see that the call multiplier is quite high. This stock doesn't usually trade options like this. Coming down to the time and sales, I could see that someone put in a couple of, well, maybe, yeah, this looks like the same person right here. So someone put in a very huge bet on here for the 30 calls for 2021, for 2022, January 21st, 2022, 30 call. So this is quite a bit of calls traded here. There was a lot of money put into this calls, as you guys can see. I don't have any filters set up for this, so as you guys can see, these are all calls being bought, and these are all really big orders right here. For the exception, of course, of some of them, it looks like they've gotten exited out. But most of them, they look like really huge buying orders in this situation. Looking at the open interest, let's go over to that January 2022. We could tell just looking at this 128,000 volume for an open interest of 15,000. Now, there's definitely a possibility that some of those might have been trading back and forth. However, that's a lot. That's a lot for this stock. So that lets me know that someone is thinking that Altria will go up most definitely. And I am guessing these are institutional bets right here. I can't really think of anything else as far as this goes. Looking at the chart, let's take a look at let's look at the 3-year here. So we could tell that it recently broke that resistance that it was having at $44, $45, and it's coming up to that $51, $52 resistance. So we're gonna see if it breaks here. Ultimately, if I'm planning to get on Altria, I'm probably gonna wait for this to come down for us in order for us to be able to get in there at least a little bit. I do see a little bit of a bear candle right there, so it's definitely a possibility that this may come down. But then again, it's definitely a possibility that it may not, and it may just break completely through there. So this is something that I'm going to be looking at. There is quite a bit of room for this stock to grow, so this is what I'm looking at most definitely. Now, the second stock we're going to be looking at today is actually going to be MLCO, and this is actually something that I saw, from one of the YouTubers that I actually see myself, that I actually watch myself, who actually posts his unusual options activity. His name is actually, if you guys want to check him out, his name is the name of the channel is Unusual Options University. He does a very good job. I really like his channel, everything that he does, and it's pretty much similar videos to the videos that I put up. But this one got brought up by him, and just looking at this is MLCO Resorts and Entertainment. This is pretty much like a reopening play. However, you guys know I'm a huge advocate of the today's option statistics. And this thing, 76% of the 17,000 calls that were traded today on this stock were actually purchased. Now, once again, you guys know, when I look at this, I could already tell that there was a lot of buying. Now, opening up the option time and sales, you guys could see there's a huge amount of call buying in here. This stock does not trade options like this. So this lets me know that someone does think that this stock will be going up. This is a reopening play. It does look good. It does look like it has been trading sideways for quite a bit on there, and it looks like it may be actually reconsolidating once again. However, there's a big bet put in here, so that lets me know that someone is thinking that this is going to break that resistance and get past it completely. So this is something I'm also looking at, and they're all the other reason I'm looking at this play is because of its volatility. You guys could tell that the IV percentile, it's actually at 0 right now, which means that the implied volatility is at its 52-week IV low, which is 39%, which is, pretty much what it's at right now. I really like that. That volatility has been going on, has been going down for the past couple of months. So this is a great play. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. This is something I really like, specifically the fact that someone came in here and just went off on this call. So, they just aggressive buying right here. And, you guys could tell here an open interest of 14,000 to a volume of 14,000 to an open interest of 44. That is a very high ratio. So this is looking good. This is what I'm looking at. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is pretty much it. Thank you guys to everybody that has been subscribing. I really appreciate that. You guys have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there. Love you guys.